Hello guys, hello everyone. कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope all of you doing well and fine. I'm Lohit Jindal, founder and director at Cortex Classes. So we are back in the with our next video of PRMO 2018 solutions. So guys, so far we have done first 27 questions of PRMO 2018. In this series we are solving previous year PRMO and IOQM questions, right? So guys, 27 हमने कर लिए हैं. Today we are going to see that question number 28 and you will see it is quite an easy one. मतलब like this will be such a question कि वो तो सबसे होना चाहिए. 5 marks free के दे रहे थे वो, जिसने अगर प्रिपरेशन की ऑफ कोर्स PRMO के लिए या IOQM के लिए प्रॉपर्ली प्रिपरेशन की अगर कर रहे हैं. So this was like very easy question that was like yours for the taking, right? Marks ऐसा था 5 marks. Let's see the question. Okay, before starting guys, again please try the question. अगर आपने पहले नहीं किया है खुद से try, please try to solve the question yourself and then watch the video to get the maximum benefit out of it, right? सीधा वीडियो देख के फायदा नहीं है आपको ऐसे, ठीक है? So please solve the question, otherwise आप साथ साथ में solve करिए, pause the video and solve the question and then move further, right? All right guys, so let me show you the question here. So here it is. All right, so see guys, what does it say? Let n be the number of ways of distributing 8 chocolates. आपके पास 8 chocolates हैं of different brands, so there are basically 8 different chocolates, right? So you have to distribute them among 3 children such that each child gets at least one chocolate. Each child gets at least one chocolate. सबको हर बच्चे को कम से कम एक चॉकलेट मिलना चाहिए. And the important condition is no two children get the same number of chocolates. Same number of chocolates नहीं मिलने चाहिए. Find the sum of digits of n. तो guys very interestingly देखो, तीनों बच्चों को अलग अलग नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स मिलने चाहिए बट टोटल तो 80 है. सो आई गिव यू एन आइडिया. देखो, what I'm trying to say here, at least one of the student must be getting, at least one of the child must be getting one chocolate. Because अगर आप ये कहोगे guys कि किसी एक बच्चे को 2 दे दी, that the minimum number of chocolates that you are going to do is 2. Let's say आपने ये बोला कि if you are going to give the minimum number of chocolates to a child is 2, then see जो बाकी 2 बच्चे हैं, अगर एक को 2 मिल रही है तो अलग अलग मिलनी चाहिए. हम इससे छोटा जा नहीं सकते, 2 से छोटा. एज आई सेड मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट दैट यू आर गिविंग इज 2. तो बाकी 2 बच्चों को कम से कम 3 and 4 चॉकलेट्स देनी पड़ेंगे आपको. यू हैव टू गिव देम 3 and 4 चॉकलेट्स. यू सी दिस गिव्स यू अ टोटल ऑफ 9 चॉकलेट्स, बट आपके पास तो 8 ही है, राइट? दैट मीन्स यू कैन नॉट गिव अ चाइल्ड the minimum number of chocolates that you should be giving to a child cannot be 2. 2 या 2 से ज्यादा चॉकलेट्स आप कम से कम वैल्यू में नहीं दे सकते हैं. So that means I have to give at least 1 chocolate to a child, right? 2 नहीं दे सकते हैं. मिनिमम मतलब the minimum number of chocolates that you are going to give to a child cannot be 2. तो उससे छोटा ही होना पड़ेगा, 1 ही होना पड़ेगा, right? 1 has to be the minimum number of chocolates that you are giving. Now guys, you have to distribute remaining 7 chocolates among 2 children. How can you do that? Either you can do that in 2 and 5 ways, right? एक को 2 दे दी, एक को 5 दे दी, और ऐसे 1 तो फिक्स रखा है ना, 1 तो देना ही है. मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट दैट यू आर गिविंग इज 1. नाउ अब बाकी 2 को, एक तो 2 and 5 देख लिया, द अदर वन ऑप्शन कुड बी 3 and 4, राइट? और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं बच रही है. 7 चॉकलेट्स अगर आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है, अगर 1 देनी है एक को, वो दे दी, तो 7 अगर आपको बाकी 2 को देनी है, सो 2 and 5 and 3 and 4 इज द पॉसिबिलिटी. ये मत बोलना कि 4 और 3 हो सकता है. दिस इज द सेम थिंग ना. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्रुपिंग्स, right? So you're basically forming 3 groups of 8 chocolates with different amount of chocolates in each group. So these are the only 2 possibilities, 1 to 5 and 1, 3 and 4. So see guys, first of all we'll do the groupings, then we'll give them to the children. So in how many ways I can group this, make groups of this? कि 8 total हैं. I have to distribute them among the groups of 1, 2 and 5. So that is 8 factorial upon 1 factorial, 2 factorial and 5 factorial, plus the other one says इससे कितने आएंगे? It is simply the number of ways of grouping guys. If you are prepared for IOQM, you will be knowing this formula, right? Simple. These are like the basic formulas that we studied, right? Basic concepts. If you don't know, please study those chapters and topics at all, everything, right? Okay, so then 1 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. So guys, this is the number of ways to group the chocolates into 3 groups. आपने कर दिया ऐसा. Now the further part is you have to distribute these 3 groups or the bundles of chocolates to the 3 children, and that is done in 3 factorial ways, right? So that's it. Let's calculate this, guys. Simply solve karte hain. So guys, let's see how do we solve this. 5 factorial will cancel this 8 factorial 4, 8 into 7 into 6, and this 2 will cancel 6 for 3, right? So let's see kya aata hai. So guys, what is this? 8 into 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 8. So that is 168 plus. Similarly guys, isko bhi cancel kar denge. 4 factorial will cancel 8 for 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, right? And 3 factorial is 6. We can cancel it directly. So now we have 8 into 7 into 5. So 8 into 7, 8 into 5 is 40, into 7 is 280. Right guys? I hope this much is clear. 840 आ जाएगा. Sorry, not 840. Sorry, 280, right? Into 3 factorial karna hai, guys. So how much is 280 plus 168? That is 448, right? 280 plus 168. So yes. So that is, guys, 448 into 3 factorial is 6. All that is left is to multiply them, guys. 8 into 6 is 48, 4 carry. So again 28, 2. So guys, this is giving you 2688. Right? So that is the final value of n, जो आप find कर रहे थे. Right? The number of ways of distributing. Now the final answer, that is not 2688, right? The final thing that has been asked is sum of the digits. That is simple now. What is the sum of digits? So sum of the digits you can see is 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. That you could have done orally as well. No issues. I am writing here. Okay. So how much is it? 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 6 is 14. So guys, 24 is the final answer. So 16 plus 6, 22 plus 2. Yes. Right. So the guys, the final answer is 24. Right. So in the exam, the final answer that you'll be marking for this is 24. Right. So a simple one. As you can see, all you have to do is form the groups and arrange them among the students, children. What you have to see is there are only two possibilities, guys. Overall, the concept was there are only two possibilities, 1, 2, 5 and 1, 3, 4. That you have done by this thing. As I told you, आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो कि 2 से ज़्यादा तो बन ही नहीं सकता. Right? The minimum number you cannot set as 2. तो उसके आगे possible नहीं है. और अगर 1 set कर दिया, then your job becomes much easier. It's just counting then. Only two ways. Two possible, or you can say two cases, right? So that's it from my end, guys. I hope आपको ये question समझ में आया and you guys enjoyed it. So, and guys, please recommend this channel to your friends as well if they're also preparing for IOQM. Okay, so that more people can get benefit out of these videos, right? That's it, nothing else. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care and all the best. Bye bye.